Hey guys, it's Peter from OCAM 4x4 Accessories, and I want to give you a demo on setting up the night sky awning walls. The walls come in a bag like this. It's 20 kilos. If you can carry 20 kilos and in a bag that size, you would find this being hugely beneficial in your camping setup. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is, when you get your walls out of your bag, so you have two large walls, the best way to go about this is to lay it flat on the ground and find your wall number. Now, this one here is wall number 1. So that basically means that goes into position number 1, which goes from here forward to the vehicle. So we're going to start by attaching wall 1 and taking it right around. Now, you'll notice that the finished cotton goes on the outside, so be sure to have that side on the outside. So we start up here and zip it. Now, it always helps you if you have a second person, but it is doable on your own if you took your time. And you just keep going right around. Now, you'll notice when you get to this section, this side here is somewhat heavier. There is a plastic window cover on this side, so you can use it as rain and wind protection and have more light coming into the tent. So we keep going. Yep. Just like that. And now it's time for wall number 2. So this got some use over the weekend, and when we packed it away, it was still quite damp, so always good practice to bring it out the following day and just let it air and wipe it down so that it's nice and fresh and clean for your next use. So once again, lay it flat on the ground, and you find that is wall position L2. So we take our awning wall number 2, and we start from this end just here. Now you'll see that there's a Velcro strip, male there and female here, so that'll make sure that we can attach it and have it sealed. And then away we go. Okay, so it's mostly up. And for wall number 3, there you go. Wall number 3, L means left for the left side of the vehicle, and that is your serial number. So if you ever have any issues with any of our night sky product, you would quote the serial number. That's just so that we can track the batch number and ensure that we can look after any of your after sales requirements, should there be any. This product comes with a 2-year warranty, so provided you look after it and treat it well, it'll treat you well for many, many years. And again, a Velcro strip. just start that off there so it can hold it up for me. And you'll notice this side here is also quite heavier because there's another plastic strip here, which we'll show you shortly. And sometimes you might find a fold in the zipper from the way it's been wrapped, but just straighten it out and away you go. The zipper is a really high quality product, so it'll keep and we keep going until we complete. This will close all the way through to the end of the rear of the vehicle. So before I lock myself in, what we will do is we'll open a door. Now, on this end, as well as on the front, you have that plastic cover that we spoke about. And you can also open this to get to my screen. And that has a Velcro strip, just like so. So good wind and weather protection. And the same as on the other side. When I use it, I'll usually have this open as my doorway. Throw it up there for now. And let's finish this off. There we go. And then last but not least, you have a small piece here that extends around the corner of the vehicle, and I'll show you where that goes. Just here. Now, depending on the size of your vehicle and the, this sort of protrusion or not, you could either connect those together with that, or if you've got a big vehicle like the 300 series, you would use this extending piece. So, just like so. And like so. Now, I won't peg it down, obviously we're on some hard surface here, but just a really quick demo on how to use it and some of the features and the functionality of this tent. It really is an amazing product for when you're in cold weather or windy weather and you want to have a warmer camp. It is a little heavy because it is the 280 grams per square meter material. Nevertheless, if you're looking for an extra tent, it's only an extra bag to carry. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.